we're gonna do, guys, to set our first guideline, it's gonna go from here all the way down over here, 3 fingers below the bone that protrudes from the back of the head. Close our lever. This is a 0, this is its sharpest position. Pull the ear down. After this, guys, you guys want to remove the bulk. When you guys go through your guideline, run through it multiple times, guys. It's so important just to make sure that everything's nice and clean. So now that we've cleaned everything up, guys, the next step is gonna be to open up our lever. We're gonna go 1 finger, literally 1 finger. It's gonna look identical to this guideline right here, guys. So after setting that guideline with the lever open, this is how it looks like. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to blend that line out using the close to open lever method. What that means, guys, is we're gonna close the lever and we're gonna hit the beginning of the guideline right here. So where it starts, we're gonna hit it in the beginning with the closed lever position. Just tap it, flick out a little bit. Then open it 1 level, so go a tiny bit higher. Open it a little bit. Open it all the way and hit the full guideline again. Now once we're done with this side of the blend, we're gonna move from the ear to the back of the occipital bone. Hit the start. Open it a little bit. Open it a little bit more. Open it all the way. And repeat the same process in the back of the head. All right, guys, so once we have successfully blended out that guideline, you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see. The next step is to grab our 1 guard, open up the lever, open lever position, closed, open. This creates the half. You attach a guard, a 1 guard. This creates now the 1.5. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing, set a 1 finger guideline that runs the same way that the first guideline was built or made. Run through this multiple times, guys. You guys don't want to rush through the process of your... This is a 1.5, the 1 guard with the lever open. The way that we erase this line, blend it out, this 2-step process, guys. The first step, attach your 1 guard. We're gonna close the lever. We're gonna hit the beginning of the guideline right here. Barely tap it and keep on going higher and higher into the fade using the close to open lever method. Close the lever. Run through it multiple times. Open it. Go a tiny bit higher. Open it again. Go a tiny bit higher. Open it all the way and hit the full guideline again. Baby tap the beginning of the guideline. Open it 1 level. Go a tiny bit higher. Open it again. The next step, we're gonna repeat the process of doing the close to open with this line right here, this guideline. The great thing about this clipper that I bought, it comes with the half guard already. You guys don't have to purchase it. The half guard is marked as the 0 guard. It's the 1/16 guard. We're gonna run through the steps again, guys. Be very careful though in this step. You don't wanna go all the way up. We set a 1 finger guideline. We want to go about half that finger between the closed to open position. My lever's closed. Open it a little bit. Open a little bit. And I'm gonna just pick at the beginning of the guideline right there. Also do it on this side as well. So my lever's open all the way. So the next step, guys, now that we have completed our blend, we're gonna do the same thing, attaching our number 2 guard now. Open up the lever, and we're gonna set a 1 finger guideline again and repeat the same process. 1 finger guideline. So we're gonna go close to open with the number 2 guard right here. Then we're gonna attach the 1.5 guard. They actually gave us a 1.5 guard with the clipper, so you guys don't have to go ahead and buy it somewhere else. And we're gonna do the same thing. Now let's put our 1.5 guard and repeat that same process, guys. Close, putting that beginning. Finger of room to work with. Open it a little bit. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna go take a shower. I'm gonna do my hair, put some product in. So just give me about 20 minutes and I'll be right back, guys. There you guys have it. This is a full low fade tutorial using my Rebel by Stylecraft Pro and Gamma. This whole haircut probably took me about an hour. If you guys do take longer on your haircuts, it's all good, guys. I used to take like 3 hours in the restroom just trying to like blend my hair through and just trying to see how I can just better my haircuts. This takes a lot of time. Just be patient with yourself. Watch this video over and over again until you can perfect it. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys hit that sub button. Either way, I appreciate you guys for rocking with me in my YouTube channel, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Next week, I'll be dropping more content, so stay tuned, guys. Peace.